Dash Squad. Welcome back to the Dash Squad. If you are returning, welcome to the Dash Squad. If you are new here, I am Armoni and my channel focuses on beauty, inspiration, lifestyle, and hair reviews. So we have another hair review for you guys today. I'm a little excited because it is a 99J unit, but it's you'll see. Anywho, the color is why I'm excited, but it is a 13x4 18-inch unit, 150% density. So let's get right into this. Unice sent this unit over to us, and Unice also sent us some lovely hair supplies. So I'm going to make sure I put it up here so you guys can see exactly what they sent over. We'll get right into styling our hair.
Me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else, let me like you do. That's why I'm mine, to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. Chemistry, I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else, let me like you do. That's why I'm mine, to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on.
I like it cause you come cut too.
Dale.
You know, you don't really, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though. Raindrop. So we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though.
Raindrop, smoking on the hot smoking on your bitch, yeah, that. Picking up in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something. I don't try nobody, quick the trigger. All of the gang and they come and get gang. I mean, you ever give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Picking up with a Uzi. It's a savage, ruthless. We got cutters and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Picking up with a Uzi. Savage, ruthless. We got cutters and 100 rounds too.
Records on records, got backers on backers. I'm riding around in a coupe. I take your a bit right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. Woo. Beat down her walls, loose. Hop in the frog. Woo. I tell that bitch to come for me. I swear these niggas under me. The hate and the devil keep jumping me. Back rows on me, keep me company. Hey, we did the most. Yeah, pull up and goes. Yeah, my diamonds a choker. Holding up, I with no holster. Read the ruler, diamond cooler. This a roller, not a mule. Dabbing on them like the usual. Magic with the brick do voodoo. Courtside with a bad bitch. Then I send the bitch through Uber. I'm young and rich and plus I'm bougie. I'm not stupid, so I keep the Uzi. Records on records, got backers on backers, so my money making my back ache. You got a low act rate. We from the north, yeah, that way. Fat cookie blunt in the ashtray. You bitches just national smash that. Hop in the limb, have a drag race. I let them birds take a bath, babe.
Raindrop, hot top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, cooking up over the crock pot. Came from nothing to something, nigga. Don't try nobody, grip the trick. Call up the king and they come and get dang. Call me your keeper, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, cooking up with a Uzi. It's a savage, ruthless. We got cutters and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, cooking up with a Uzi. It's a savage, ruthless. We got cutters and 100 rounds too.
You know, you don't really, you know, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though. Raindrop.
So Dash Squad, what do you think of this hair? Like, I love the two-tone. It is beautiful. It matches my skin complexion great. The hair is really soft. The only con about this hair is that the 3x4 doesn't go across my head, but you guys know I have a big head. So other than that, the actual unit fits my head size perfectly. I love that I could pull this hair back if I want, or I could cover up the forehead like I always do. I wanted to do like a simple curl, but you guys see you have length. You can wear it straight, you can wear it curly. It's body. This gives me work appropriate. Pulling it up or pulling it back is I'm hanging out with my girls. Tell me what you guys think. I apologize if you are new to my channel. I lost some of my footage doing this video. So if you need help with cutting lace or you're not sure of how to cut the lace, please watch another one of my other videos. But Unice is one of my favorite hair companies. They have a store on Amazon, so please, please, please check them out. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, Dash Squad, thank you guys so much for watching.
I tell that bitch to come for me. I swear these niggas under me. The hate and the devil keep jumping me. Back rows on me, keep me company. Hey, we did the most. Yeah, pull up and goes. Yeah, my diamonds a choker. Holding up, I with no holster. Read the ruler, diamond cooler. This a roller, not a mule. Dabbing on them like the usual. Magic with the brick do voodoo. Courtside with a bad bitch. Then I send the bitch through Uber.